Mama Akwaba wa frame Ajwa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Oh say ade efe ye dikire. Na nanum kure kwatwa asase amount say usu ubesi 100 bed district hospital. Ya fa ngoshe kuruto. Na den be bie kuru nani asensa. Ti obi e pede de wo kwan ho strategically na nna de hye no so ba o mamre. Today. Oko kwan a eko yendi. Hwe kwan a eko bimbila.
Bimbila road no.
Oh, there is nowhere in the north. Me say you one major road currently enya Bawuima. First na north ubehu asphalt na medical culture. There was one single asphalted lane from Accra, Kumasi, Techiman, Kentampo, Tamale, Walwale to Bolga. That was the major asphalted road I ran off. But today, kwaya kesi aye in Israel nyina asphalt. The first no near asphalt was southern sector near Kwekota was rim. And nay, we asphalt why asphalt was rim. To visit and know how they see their son. One, Eba nidi ayem from man and anima or de my yen saying wo. Two, suma yes suma or sumos in a wo. Three, and when yam shas for your benya frigana for you anima or my yen business wo because by the hotel and what I want the corruption by. What titles are Ujan or vice presidency in John Dramani Mama? Corruption. And no Nasrim Flying for no, and the Kai will say, Obeguy Animas war. And now by some default, Obey Mampany, and an area if you was one farmer. Unia Bakwabe di Mampania be the children watch. Media or de maye. And Monyam shower de maye. Input you so de brain. How will we choose you over him? Ni nananum ni adishe wesirim and nije ni ahokeka. Yeah, can say. So far, the only regional doctor, Kura, Upper West. Yeah, Upper West, the Ura Hono. 4 days, no winning. First day, 2 constituencies. The remaining 3 days, 3. Savannah, Ojebi. So as we talk, that man goes to Northeast, yeah, can say, Wale Onyanye. Northern region Ankasa, Tamale Enclave, zones no, Ojabi. And they saw northeast. Bawuima, you will finish all answer with free ho. No Riezo Baha.
He'll be there again.
Yes. He'll be there again. Because
touching every single constituency.
Nkamre ni kurum. Yani constituency o. Or hini be a opportunity at the Adanasi. Or he be a opportunity. Bokuna base. Usu di mampani nubia ye. Di mampani be mo di manyamenko pon be mo di mampani. Bupe ura. Ose. Inshira amede ama me manu bia mama obi. Na nyame ajiwu se bedi o man nanim. If somebody who is expected to say, "Oh, we benefit, we benefit," but you are seeing the difference. You are seeing the difference. They are seeing the difference. Oh, me say one. Nidi, Saudi nidi manana. First thing, the two of them no. Nanano mo compare. Answer the two. Asama nkomo a woni nanano mo di. Ene sene ye wama na bam. Ti Dr. Bawuima nya kwa agina nananum e wosire manim. Ohiri bia wonim ne woni na campaign. Emra wa abontoa. Ene wonim ne ne waye ne ho a wotumi kode ne nsasi ne bode kire so. Nananum so nim obia so a wa ba ho no ma betwetwe nkomo. Opportunities obi. Ntina me ka kire say Savannah Chiefs went to the former president severally as vice president and as president for region. Last minute, you know, Oman Fenije in the free Jubilee House. When you are Northern Savannah, either communication director or secretary, they will brief you. And I make a choice from Salaga area, Pembe area in the Savannah zone. Now to me free hop and call Savannah region without not using the Northern region. But then there is a virgin road. Kwaya enahwa. Yeah, in the fresh. Nay, etumi ko straight. Savannah linking Savannah. What are we saying? What are we saying? Eti niye unu ne munyina desert. He no video mi wi amesendi bi ama ona otu awawe. Chief Sovo Aboka himself, Azoka himself fighting. E woni fi on ne nkwara no. So you could see say almost center na e was rim no de ne, and as I said, young party for na e was rim no. Let's commend them. The appointees from the north.
Yeah. In fact,
they are investing in the north, and it's paying off.
Abujinapo.
One is Abujinapo.
Abujinapo.
The BI have said, say, if all the youthful appointees ever for party not to send the Abujinapo fan word, Savannah region.
Your core northern region, you could see how the people gel.
No, are you surprised at what is going on?
Abujinapo is like the father of the Savannah region for both political parties.
Let me tell you something.
Was the community center be honum?
Oh, but tell the one they launched the campaign. Yeah. He sponsors every constituency every month. For 2 months now, he has started sponsoring Bono East consistently. 2 months now. For 1 month now, he has started sponsoring Ahafo and Bono. Be a one but make cancel the be you for bet on Bonabaso. Abujinapo.
Or support mo.
Me say Bono East for 2 now. Yeah, but 2 assembly election is the only appointee I'll be support yen.
Oh, Bono East.
Yes, with materials and fiscal money. Abujinapo. I'm telling you. And as I talk today, you can call any executive from Ahafo or Bono. So me say from last month support came because I know it. And the person who led the region the Ebreno, the Savannah Regional Secretary, Isa. Every month, Oscar Savannah Region, they support every month, every constituency. One Savannah Region, every constituency, one pickup. Motorbikes, every constituency. I'm telling you. See, such investment, I'm not surprised the words we are hearing. The respect, dignity in confinement Muslim for not all for Upper East Hanan. I'm telling you, me a council member, meaning praises any region deba. Fasting time, those days, sugar, rice, no. Kogushegu area, Tampuli.
Tampuli.
Kokaraga area, the finance minister. Koyendi area, Farouk.
And this first time, Habib
is it the deputy chief whip?
Yes.
Habib, man.
And then you compare to the NDC appointees,
that is why
who has been in government for many years, and Jerry John Rollins,
and why is Haruna Idrusu a darling boy in the north? I don't know Kanehua, NDC for El Sugujim. He is like that.